Yan, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Philippines.
We're going to home.
We are going to home now. Pack up, and for the 5th day, we are going home together with our exotic captives. Captives.
Ano akin?
Yan. Exotic foods. Yan, mga nahunt natin, no. Ang sasarap niya. Andyan na yung rabbit. Oh, wow, buna tol. Tirahan mo kami. Dessert ko yan. Bilang ko yan. Yan aalis na naman tayo. Pupunta naman tayo sa susunod na pauwian pala tayo. Pauwian na, 5th day. 5th day of adventures. Uwian na. At syempre nakapack up na lahat. Pupunta na tayo sa ating destinasyon, pauwi. Yan ang mga dala-dala, oh.